birthday, Papa Roy!
Hands up to the sky, look at us now.
Happy 75th birthday, Anpa!
Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't no doubt. I just wanna shout it out. Celebrate, celebrate. We
Talagang maabot pa yung 110, 105 para may bonus sa gobyerno. 100,000 din yun. Pero ikaw talagang the best eh. Pero mo, nung nagpangabot o nagkakilala tayo, talagang hindi mo makita sa iyo yung galit o puro pagpapakumbaba.
celebrating like it's graduation.
Siyempre, of course, long life. Makasama ka pa namin ng matagal, makita mo pa yung mga apo mong tumanda, lumaki, makita ka pa nila at makasama ka nila sa mga activities nila at sa mga achievements nila sa buhay.
Yeah, everyone's
Grateful sa Lord sa kanyang faithfulness na 75 years kay Papa. Na 75 years old na siya pero yung health niya is okay.
watch me turn it up real loud. Everybody here going all out. Live it up. Let it out. Hands up to the sky. Look at us now. This is what it's all about. Celebrate, celebrate. It's the best day of our life. There ain't
Natutuwa ko, nakarating ka na sa ganitong edad. Ibig sabihin, malapit na rin akong makarating.
Pa, thank you sa pag-alaga kay Ara and for the support sa family namin, sa bahay, sa mga pangailangan. Thank you sa pag-alaga sa mga apo and for always being there for us.
we'll party out in the streets.
Father in heaven, we thank you so much for this day as we celebrate the 75th birthday of Brother Rolly.
We're just celebrating like we finally made.
Remembrance yan sa iyo dahil umabot ka na sa ganyang sitwasyon na kailangan mang may sugod na. Diba?
Yeah, everyone's invited.
Panalangin namin, ma-enjoy niya pa yung buhay niya dito sa mundong ito, even yung kanyang pagmamahal sa Diyos na tapat sa kanya. At patuloy na blessing and of course, kalakasan sa kanyang katawan.
Parade through the town. I smile and wave to the
Yun, Tay, happy birthday. Sana mas mababa pa ang buhay mo at ma-enjoy mo lalo yung buhay mo. Talagang blessing yan ni Lord. Sabi nga, yung gray hair ay blessing yan. Kaya enjoy your life, Tay, and happy birthday again.
yeah, everyone's invited and it's no surprise who will go to
Happy 75th birthday. Ano ba, 75th?
75th?
Sige. Ulit.
Hindi tayo sige, again.
Happy 75th birthday, Papa!
Happy birthday, Papa! We love you!
Happy 75th birthday, Pa! We love you!
up to the sky. Look